Using grid is not a cheating. What are you talking about? Are you serious? Yes, using grid is like solving a puzzle. Hello, welcome to my channel Divyanshi Creates. Let's learn today how to use grids and what the grids are actually. Let's just talk about the measurements quickly. I have took a border of 0.5 centimeter. You can take 1 centimeter as well. It just give that bloom to the portrait. It makes the portrait look perfect. That's why I use the border always. I have took 1.5 centimeter of grid boxes. Let's talk about grid lines. Do you know what's the purpose of using grid lines in your artwork is? Let me tell you. The only purpose behind using grid lines is to achieve precision, proportion, measurement, placement, perspective, and the balance in our work. We use grid line to maintain accurate proportion and scale, to measure and transfer the dimension from the reference images. Honestly, grid lines are beneficial as well because it improve our accuracy, better proportion, enhance our composition, right? Let's create something together and see how grid actually work. We are going to draw the facial structure first because once we get the facial outlines, we will be able to fit the facial features perfectly. I'm starting from the bun section because it's the topmost section and you can start it from there because once the topmost section will be covered, you will go down and the outline will not be smudged by your hand. If you want to draw from the lower section, you will put a clean paper under your hand, then you can start so that your outline will not be smudged. Always have to identify the hair direction as well so that after when you use the BTD razor to lighten up the outlines, as charcoal doesn't work on graphite, the hair direction that you identified will help you to draw the hairs without looking at the reference image. Don't try to be accurate while drawing flyaways. You can draw it any way you want, like I did. The outlines can be creepy at first, but when you will shade the portrait, it will look so beautiful, believe me. This is how the outlines of this portrait look actually for now. I'll be back with a tutorial of this cute portrait. Thank you so much for watching the full video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.